Although not as popular as olive oil and coconut oil, peanut oil remains one of the most used oils around the world. It can promote our health a number of different ways and has a distinct and pleasant taste. It can be used for cooking or added to salads. Also, it contains unique compounds that can help to improve our overall health. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming peanut oil. First, peanut oil is a good source of healthy nutrition. It is a great source of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that can promote our health a number of different ways. It is also a good source of both monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are especially heart healthy and can fight other diseases. As well, it is also high in antioxidant compounds, such as resveratrol, and has anti-inflammation compounds. As mentioned previously, consuming peanut oil can help to promote the overall health of our heart many different ways, and reduce the risk of developing heart disease. Peanut oil can help to positively affect cholesterol levels. This is often attributed to its high levels of a plant-based compound known as phytosterols, which can help to reduce cholesterol levels. It can also help to lower blood pressure due to its great levels of resveratrol. This, along with other antioxidants, can help to promote the health of our blood vessels and reduce stress placed on the heart. Consumption of peanut oil can also help to promote the overall health and look of your skin. This oil can provide excellent support for skin health due to its high levels of vitamin E. These benefits can occur when consumed or applied topically. When applied topically, it can help to moisturize and nourish the skin, which can help to prevent dry skin and other skin ailments. Also, the antioxidants in peanut oil can help to reduce the signs of aging, such as fine lines and wrinkles, and reduce acne. It can also help to boost and preserve cognitive function, especially as we get older. This is because of the great levels of antioxidants it contains, especially resveratrol, which work together to preserve neurological function. This allows peanut oil to reduce free radicals and oxidative stress that can compromise cognitive health and even help prevent neurological disorders, such as Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Lastly, peanut oil can help to promote the overall health of your hair. When applied topically, it can help to reduce damage to the hair and split ends. As well, peanut oil contains good levels of linoleic acid, which can help to improve blood flow to the scalp, strengthening the hair and preventing hair loss in the process. It can also help to reduce dryness and keep the hair looking moisturized and rich. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.